talk about Google Chrome keyboard shortcuts. What if you could navigate Google Chrome at lightning speed? Well, it turns out you can. By learning a few simple Google Chrome keyboard shortcuts, you can speed up your prospecting research, gain valuable insights about your leads faster, and really build out that pipeline. After this video, you'll become a pro at using Chrome. Our first shortcut is Ctrl+N. In Mac, you can use the Command and N key combination. This shortcut is usually used to create a new window that you are currently using. Let's click that combination. As you can see now, we got a new Google Chrome window. Our second shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+N. In Mac, you can use the command Shift and N. This key combination works like the previous key combination, but it opens a new window in incognito mode instead. The third shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+W. You can use Command+Shift+W. Normally you can close a window using your mouse, but you don't want it. Now you can close your current Chrome window easier. Also, you can close any other windows using this keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+T or Command+T shortcut is used to create a new tab and switch to it. You can create many tabs as you want by using this shortcut. If there are more tabs you need to switch between. To go to the next tab you need to press Ctrl+Tab or Command+Option+right arrow. To go to the previous tab you need to press Ctrl+Shift+Tab. In Mac, you can use Command+Option+left arrow. Also, you can jump to a specific tab. For that you need to use Ctrl+Tab number. You can use Command+1 through Command+8. As an example, now I need to go to tab 3. I'm simply pressing Ctrl+3. You can switch between any tab as you want. Usually, you'll close Chrome tabs like this. But you can close a tab without using your mouse. For that, you can use Ctrl+W. For Mac, you can use Command+W. With this key combination, you can close the current tab. Accidentally, sometimes you close a useful tab. To get that useful tab again, you can use Ctrl+Shift+T. If you are a Mac user, you can use Command+Shift+T. It will reopen the last opened tab. Sometimes you need to open a file from your computer in the browser. For that, you can use Ctrl+O. In Mac, you can use Command+O. Then you can choose your file. As you can see now, I'm opening an image. Our image file is opened. Now I'm opening a text file. As you can see, our text file is opened in dark mode. Now I'm going to teach you how to quickly open the Chrome home page. For that, you can use Alt+Home, and if you are a Mac user you can use Command+Shift+H. Our next shortcut is Ctrl+K or Ctrl+E. In Mac, you can use the Command+I. This shortcut is used to jump to the address bar without your mouse. This is a very useful shortcut. Usually, you might use a scroll wheel or scroll bar to go up and down on a web page. But you can use the space bar to go down and Shift plus space bar to go up. In Mac, you can use these same key combinations as Windows. If you want to save the current web page to your computer, use the Ctrl+S key combination. On a Mac, you can use the Command+S. It will be open a window. If you want to change the location, change. If you don't want to change the location, you can simply press Enter. It will save the file in your downloads. Let's check it. As you can see now, our saved file opened. You can use Ctrl+R as a Windows or Linux user, or Command+R as a Mac user to reload the current page. Our next shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+R. In Mac, you can use Command+Shift+R. This helps to reload the current page, ignoring cached content. This technique is known as hard refresh. Sometimes you need to zoom in or out. For that, you can use the Ctrl++ sign or Command++ for Mac. It should zoom in on your web page. For zoom out, use Ctrl or Ctrl+- sign. It should zoom out. To reset the zoom, you can use Ctrl+0, or on Mac, you can use Command+0. Imagine you need to find some phrase in a web page. For that, you can use Ctrl+F shortcut. In Mac, you can use Command+Options+F. Now let's search next. As you can see, it highlights the text which I typed there. Now let's type video in the search bar. It shows the all locations that phrase exists in this web page. To create a bookmark of your current web page, you can use Ctrl+D shortcut. In Mac, use Command plus D. In this case, I opened two websites in different tabs. To save these two websites as bookmarks in a folder, you can use Ctrl plus Shift plus D shortcut. In Mac, use Command plus Shift plus D. You can rename it as you want and save it in your bookmarks bar. For use it, you can click the file and select the website. Talking about bookmarks, our next shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus B. In Mac, you can use Command plus Option plus B. This shortcut used to show or hide the bookmarks bar. This shortcut is most useful for web developers. You can use Ctrl plus U to display non-editable HTML source code for the current page. For Mac, you can use Command plus Option plus U. By the way, if you are interested in HTML language, I have already done a free video series. You can watch it by using this card if you are interested. Also, I'll leave a link in the description. Our next shortcut is Ctrl plus H. It opened the history page in a new tab. You can use Command plus Y in Mac. Ctrl plus J is our next shortcut. In Mac, you can use Command plus Shift plus J. This shortcut commonly used for open the downloads page in a new tab. If you watched this video until end, you must interested in this video. In this video, I'm teaching you about more than 30 shortcuts for Windows. Also make sure to watch my HTML course if you are interested.